Hi, I'm Dr. Devin Marsh. Welcome to Music Technology MMI 250. The purpose of this course is to give you a basic competency with music technology. I want you to end the course with the ability to record yourself and make your own demos. Also, I hope that you will use this fantastic tool for your lessons and practice sessions. You will be able to practice at almost any tempo or key and record yourself and your lessons, as well as compose and even create great practicing tools. This is a music technology course and not a Pro Tools course. There are many other DAWs, or digital audio workstations, that possess very similar abilities. But for the purpose of this course, everyone in the class will learn these techniques using Pro Tools 10. Chapter 1, Module 1, Exploring Different Digital Audio Workstations. A DAW, or digital audio workstation, is a multi-track audio recording and editing software. As technology advances and makes our world faster, it has also made computers much smaller and lighter and portable enough to carry under your arm. The power and versatility of a DAW has become the industry standard production platform. It is widely used by professionals throughout the audio industry for recording and editing of music production, film scoring, MIDI sequencing, and pre- and post-production for television and film. There are many different programs available, such as Cubase, DP, GarageBand, and Logic Pro. Pro Tools 10 will be our software of choice for this course. Pro Tools has been and continues to be the standard and also allows cross-platform for both Macintosh and Windows computers. The compatibility between your operating system and the current version of Pro Tools is available on the Avid website. Check this information before installing Pro Tools or updating your software. Chapter 1, Module 2, Optimizing Your System. In order to guarantee that Pro Tools runs smoothly with as little interruption as possible, we want to make sure that Pro Tools and your computer communicate correctly with one another. Start by entering the avid.com site and clicking on Support and Services at the top of the page. Here you will find Support, Professional Services, and Training. You can also search the knowledge base by typing in a question or the problem you might be having to easily find answers. Use this site to check that your computer's specifications and operating system are going to work. You can also check items like hard drive compatibility, which audio interface will work best for you, and a slew of other items to make sure your equipment is compatible with Pro Tools 10. For example, you should check out the specification requirements to make sure your computer has everything it needs to run the software correctly. I find that most of my students' computers work without much of an issue. Where you need to be careful is when a new operating system is released. Try to avoid the hype and the new look. Don't upgrade right away, not only for using Pro Tools, but in general. Let the rest of the world find the bugs in the system. It also takes software developers at least a few months to upgrade their software so it works well with all the new bells and whistles. It is a really good idea to only run essential programs when using specific software, especially with Pro Tools. You will usually need to have your web browser open while working on lessons for this class, but make sure to run the least amount of sites possible. In other words, close Facebook. The Avid support site usually has current information on any conflicts, so check there if you are having any issues. While you are checking out the specs for your system, don't forget to look at the list of approved hard drives. Avid strongly advises not to record audio to the internal system hard drive on your computer. While this is the best option, you should try to follow these directions, but for the purpose of this class, you should be able to get by without an extra drive. But please get one if you can. It's a great idea for any of your computing needs. A good hard drive is pretty cheap, and especially if you consider what it would cost if you lost all the data on your computer.